the past several years, it has been observed that major movements in the country, whether it's the protest related to CAA NRC, the farmers' agitation, or the restless protests, are often hijacked by the opposition parties. In the name of support, opposition parties not only politicize these movements but also attempt to alter their core objectives. A similar scenario is currently unfolding during the ongoing protests by the BPSC candidates in Bihar. Namaskar, I am Pradosh Sharma and you're watching Rhythm. The sit-in protest by the candidates of the Bihar Public Service Commission candidates against the 70th preliminary exam has been ongoing for the past 2 weeks. The candidates are demanding the complete cancellation and reconducting of the exam, citing allegation of irregularities in the test conducted on December 30. However, the commission has decided to cancel the exam only at the Bapu Examination Center in Patna, where approximately 12,000 candidates had appeared. This exam will now be reconducted on January 4 at another center in Patna, and new admit cards have already been issued to these candidates. On December 30, a delegation of candidates met Chief Secretary Amrit Lal Meena. After the meeting, one of the candidates stated, "We have presented our demands to the Chief Secretary and he assured us that appropriate action will be taken." The candidates have cleared that the protest will continue until the announcement of a complete re-exam. But here's now the things take a turn. Opposition parties like the left, RJD and Jan Suraj have started to hijack the protest. Activists from the left and RJD attempted to alter the protest course by halting trains in Ara and Darbhanga. In Darbhanga, protesters sat on railway tracks and stopped the Bihar Sampark Kranti Express for nearly an hour. Similarly, in Ara, the Buxar Patna passenger train was held up for about 10 minutes. Police intervened to remove the protesters and restored the train services. Such activities have raised questions about the protest's original purpose, as the movement now appears to be taking a political hue. Meanwhile, on Sunday, students gathered at the Gandhi Maidan in Patna to protest against the BPSC examination. Among the crowd was Jan Suraj Party leader Prashant Kishore, whose presence has sparked outrage among the students. They accused Kishore of attending the protest solely for political mileage. On Saturday, Kishore had announced that if the police resorted to lathi charges during the protest, he would be the first one to take a blow. However, he left the site before the lathi charge even began on Sunday, further fueling the students' anger. Protesters chanted "PK go back" and engaged in heated arguments with him. Students emphasized that their protest is entirely non-political and they do not wish to give it another political color. They also alleged that it was Kishore's presence that triggered the police lathi charge, condemning him for politicizing their movement, stating that it detraced from their original purpose. Not just Prashant Kishore, other political party leaders like Pappu Yadav and Tejasvi Yadav have also entered the scene. Pappu Yadav was seen addressing the protesting students, which many believe was an attempt to gain political mileage from their grievances. Similarly, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav extended his verbal support to the protest, calling for a complete re-exam, but raising concerns that this support may shift the focus of the movement from its original purpose to political gains. And in between this political chaos, Khan Sir, a popular educator and influencer among students, made an appeal to support the candidates. His presence was seen as a morale booster for the students, as he urged them to maintain the non-political nature of their protest and stay focused on their demands for justice. Khan Sir's involvement brought a sense of solidarity and reaffirmed the students' commitment to keeping the movement peaceful and goal-oriented. What happens next in this matter remains to be seen. However, the tendency of political parties to hijack the protests has not only harmed the core objectives of such movements, but also eroded public trust. Be it the protest against NRC CAA, the farmers' agitation, or the ongoing demonstration by the BPSC candidates in Bihar, political parties have consistently attempted to alter the nature of these movements for their selfish agendas. Maintaining the peaceful and purpose-driven nature of any movement is not only the responsibility of protesters but also of political parties, who must refrain from using these movements as a platform for their political ambitions. It is imperative that all stakeholders respect the fundamental principles of democracy and allow protests to be proceed in accordance with their original objectives.
परीक्षा लेना होगा